Hi, this is GBPUSD and today it's Wednesday, 22nd of October 2014 and the time is 9:33 GMT. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video signal for Forex ID Academy members and FXholics Forex Signals apps users. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko-Hyo, Bollinger Bands, Fractals and Stochastics. We see that the pair is in a bearish mood. We should look for a short entry, but let's go to the higher time frames to see if we have a fresh price Tenkan-sen cross, a fresh bearish price Tenkan-sen cross. This is not fresh on monthly, and we have already a spike here, so we go to weekly. We don't see anything fresh here other than an effort for the price to reverse. Daily, here is an effort of the price to make a fresh bearish price Tenkan-sen cross and continue falling, because it made a swing high above the median Bollinger Band, and this is a bearish continuation pattern. Everything looks bearish, but we don't have a proper bearish price Tenkan-sen cross here, because we had to see the candlestick of the day crossing and closing below Tenkan-sen, the red line of Ichimoku Kinko-Hyo, which is not a fact yet. We may see the totally opposite picture by the end of the day. So we always want to see a closed candlestick below Tenkan-sen in order to talk about bearish price Tenkan-sen cross on daily, and we don't have it yet. So we go on H4. This is not a fresh bearish price Tenkan-sen cross here, but if we go to smaller time frames, we will wait for a proper correction, a bullish correction, and enter from there. Let's go to H1. The correction is starting. M30. So we want to enter at least from the median Bollinger Band level. For H1 this is difficult, I don't see it happening. For M30 difficult, for M15 less difficult, because the price may go only up to the Tenkan-sen level and then reverse. So let's go to M5 and see how things look like here. Okay, so we just had a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on M5. Probably the pair will not have the strength to pull much higher. We wait patiently to see the price's interaction with the median Bollinger Band on M5. If the pair finds the strength to go above Kijun-sen, the blue line, which I doubt seeing this body of the leading Kumo here, then we stay out and wait, because we may be witnessing a reversal, a bullish reversal. But what makes me think that this is just a correction is that on the H4 time frame I see the median Bollinger Band curved downwards. When the median Bollinger Band makes a knee, this is directional change in the price. There is a change of direction in the price action. So this is key element, and it always shows where the action will take place. So the correction has started here. We know it is a correction. Let's go to M15, M5. So wait till you see the price interaction with medium Bollinger Band. If it wants to go higher, let it go higher. If it goes above Kijun-sen, okay. And when you see a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross on M5, enter short. To see a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross on M5, you must see one whole bearish candlestick, a big body bearish candlestick, crossing and closing below Tenkan-sen, which is the red line of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. Now, the opposite may happen. The opposite stands true for a bullish entry. For a bullish entry, since we had this deep downward move on H4, which is really deep, to talk about reversal, we must see a strong bullish Kumo breakout on M5. If you see a strong bullish Kumo breakout on M5, price going above the Kumo, and Chikou span, the green line of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, going above past price action, and when you see a strong bullish Kumo breakout on M5 and validated by Chikou span, which is the green line of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, when you see Chikou span, the green line, going above past price action and above the Kumo, not just the price being above the Kumo, you want also to see Chikou span above the Kumo, then prepare yourself for a long entry. But for now, we are only looking for a short entry, and we want to see this correction finish, and we will enter when a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross happens after the upward move loses steam. Entering from here, we place our stop loss if we enter short. Let me see a critical point. Okay, you can place your stop loss a few pips above the Tenkan-sen on H4 or above the medium Bollinger Band on H4 if you are conservative. If you want to be 100% safe, place it above the upper Bollinger Band on H4 when you enter short. Take profit target. The lower Bollinger Band on the daily. The lower Bollinger Band on the daily. If, I repeat, you find a nice short entry point. Okay. Otherwise, if the price manages to reverse, 90% you will be sure that this is a bullish reversal when you see a strong bullish Kumo breakout on M5. Not only the price going above the Kumo, but also Chikou span going above past price action and above the Kumo. And in that case, you enter long, you buy, and that will happen somewhere here close to the medium Bollinger Band. So you place your stop loss at the spike of the H4 time frame and your take profit target at the upper Bollinger Band of the H4 time frame. But I don't see it possible for now because I see this knee here. Anyway, let's see if the price will reverse or is just making a nice correction to give us the chance to enter. Thanks for watching and happy pips.